Me and 80 plus million CRO fam are not making a mistake with crypto.com. Despite 2022 being one of the worst years in crypto, we still grew 39%. 80 million users on crypto.com. Obviously, it's not 100% of the available market. And Chris, the boss, crypto.com CEO, said a couple of things, including crypto.com research, that they laid out the entire thing of what happened and where they're going. I want to tell you the whole deal by the end of this video, guys. I'm excited because can you imagine how much we're going to grow now that 2023 starts turning positive? Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Got a lot to do yesterday. Couldn't post this video yesterday. Wedding stuff happening. Tomorrow I get married. So allow me right that. But today, very excited and grateful. And this is what he's saying. In spite of what all accounts was a rough year for crypto, global ownership grew 39% to a cool of 425 million. Just with that, we're not even 1 billion people with crypto right here, according to these numbers. Blows my mind. Are we gonna 2x this to close to 1 billion? Of course. The fact that you and I already are in this game together just makes everything happen. Just heard breaking news with Genesis Trading. They're going bankrupt. Gemini, Cameron Winkeblow's brother, they're like, how are we gonna pay our Gemini earned users? One of us is here. So it's cool that these companies, despite the garbage that's happening out there, they're still pushing ahead. I like it. Crypto.com continue advancing its mission of cryptocurrency adoption. 80 million users on their platform. Thanks for supporting CRO fam. And this is the post that you're gonna see right here, which just by the numbers, 300 million to 425 global crypto owners, 39% increase in crypto owners, Bitcoin and Ethereum owners grew. And can we just like it, everybody? Of course, here it is. The price of crypto.com, can we go to $1? Of course we can go to $1. Like, that is one thing that we all know very easily. So if it's 7 cents, it went to 8 cents very quickly. Just imagine when this one starts ballooning to the moon. Obviously, a lot of people are going to start paying attention. But right now, I can be super excited because it is not there yet. And people tell me all the time, Oscar, when should I buy crypto? When it's FOMOing, when it's ballooning, when it's green? That's a time for us to enjoy and have a great time on a live, but not really the best time to buy. The best time to buy is when it's bloody in the streets that nobody wants to get close to it. That's, in my opinion, what works. Diversifying always helps. Now, obviously, Chris, it's really, it's probably going to continue as a CEO. I think it's doing okay. It's doing very well because the fact that you continue through the FUD from November, a lot of people went over us, went tackling and wanted to destroy the CRO fam. They couldn't do it. Now here, this is what's happening. The key takeaways, everything increased. Even though, like I said, despite of a really garbage year, there was a lot of building, a lot of momentum, a lot of push in going to the next step. Even liquidity is low. On CRONOS chain, we went from maybe 1 billion starting 2022, 2 billion even, to going down, actually 4 billion, going to 500 million or so. So that is a super steep decline, and it hurt. A lot of different CRONOS protocols, had to leave, couldn't continue. But some of them, the ones that we know, tectonic, were able to do very well, including with VVS Finance, MMF, still trying to, push some good TBL on CRONOS and going to Polygon. What I like is even the price is low, the project continues building. And it is important for CRONOS and for crypto.com to continue gaining more users. If 80 million is what we have on crypto.com, and it's not a perfect exchange, it's going to continue learning. That's what we liked. CRONOS chain will obviously help from having that pool of different users, because then builders and developers can come and continue expanding the network. Love it. Now, this is in my opinion one of the most important pieces of information from this, because here you can realize exactly where were the best months to getting on crypto. This was exactly when the prices were really starting to slow down since December 2021. We saw just a decline and going from the 60s to the 30s. So obviously people were like, probably, okay, let's just cash out and leave. But right here, the May, June, July, that was tough. People were starting to come back once again because they were looking at the prices at the end of the year. It wasn't really that of a big change, but people were still slowly and pushing through the noise and the FUD. And I appreciate that a lot. And of course, the crypto.com global rate, global ETH owners love it. Bitcoin, Ethereum is still pushing ahead, everyone. That means, in my opinion, that position 28, for a while we were position 29. That thing is growing to probably $2 billion market capitalization pretty soon. We're not the first exchange. We still have, where is it? This is CRONOS, and we have, oh, there you go, Leo. That's another exchange. And of course, we have Binance. So we're the third exchange by market capitalization. And like I've said, there's a lot of things that we might want to change. Of course, the fees, that's one thing that a lot of people don't like with spread. That's how crypto.com makes money. So what is the best way to go about it? Well, there's always good things with the DeFi wallet that you might want to understand, staking, right? So, but I'm happy to say that despite those little things and bumps on the road that eventually crypto.com can change and modify, or, you know, even the fees to transfer or so, because I've seen some responses, we're still thriving. We're still going ahead. And 2022 by far was one of those years where not only crypto.com was everywhere at the World Cup and in different sport events and in the crypto.com arena and in Formula One and all that great stuff, even the Super Bowl, which I'm pretty sure that they're going to be applying for this upcoming Super Bowl in February. So it's next month. I think that's exactly what we mean when it comes to gaining and going to that 1 billion user global crypto owners. 2023 is a pivotal moment for companies like Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase to push and continue letting the adoption, because we're ready. And we the survivors of the bear market of 2022, because I think right now having Bitcoin at 20,000+ is really great. Can it go lower? Yes, but it's pretty difficult to now get even all the way to 10,000. Now that Genesis Trading is bankrupt, didn't do anything with the price. So if the pillars are strong, I think we're going to head in the right direction. Guys, Crypto.com army. Are you excited? Are you ready? Because I am. And where Bitcoin goes, Crypto.com follows. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Take a look at the links down below for your free Bitcoin stocks. Tomorrow I get married. I'm super pumped and excited. I may not be able to be here tomorrow that much, but I want to thank you for your time, your honesty, your support. 80+ million CRO fam. We're not making a mistake. I'll see you next time, everybody. Let's grow. We're making it happen. $1 is my goal. Peace.